Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next subtopic of halogen derivatives of alkanes and aldehydes, that is called as the name reaction called as elimination reaction, or it is also called as beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction, or fourth name is called as dehydrohalogenation reactions. Clear? First of all, we discuss here the what is the elimination reaction, why this called as the beta elimination reaction, or why it is called as the what 1,2 elimination reaction, or it is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. कोई चारों में से एक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा बेटा आपको. डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग टर्म: एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शंस, बीटा एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शंस, और थर्ड 1,2 एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन, और फोर्थ dehydrohalogenation reactions. ठीक है. So now we take here first what is elimination reaction. So elimination means remove of any small molecule to any reactant to form the two product. One is product, second is called as byproduct, called as the elimination reaction. Clear? The process in a simple means the process in which loss of small molecule like water molecule or hydrogen halide molecule or any molecule from the reactant to change into product and byproduct called as the elimination reaction. But here we take the elimination reaction in alkyl halide. But here we take the question. Yesterday we finished the substitution reaction in alkyl halide. Today we discuss the elimination reaction in alkyl halide. Clear? It means when we added a elimination reaction alkyl halide, what we get? We discuss here. ठीक है? Clear? Now, what indicate this beta elimination reaction means a halogen group, hydrogen group are removed from the beta carbon, so it is called as beta elimination reaction. Clear? In the alkyl halide, the remove of hydrogen from a beta position or beta carbon, so it is called as the beta elimination reactions. Clear? What is alpha carbon? What is beta carbon? So we discuss here. Clear? What is alpha carbon? Those carbon to which the functional group, it means halide group, is directly attached, called as alpha carbon. ठीक है? We take here that this Br is a functional group attached to this carbon. This carbon are act as alpha carbon, and all the atoms are called as alpha. It means hydrogen also alpha, the Br also alpha. Same here, it is a beta carbon because alpha, second carbon beta. Clear? Why it is beta carbon? Because attached to alpha carbon called as beta carbon. So all hydrogen are act as beta hydrogen. Clear? So the remove of beta hydrogen means from the beta carbon, so it is called as also the beta elimination reaction. Beta is the name of the position of carbon. Clear? What is alpha carbon? The carbon which directly attached to the function group. So Br here, the halogen means a halide group is a function group. So this carbon attached to the Br, so it is this carbon act as what? Alpha carbon, and the second carbon is called as beta carbon. So remove of H from the beta carbon, so it is called as the beta elimination reaction. Third, it is also called a 1,2 elimination reaction. Why? It means the carbon number first or second at which the two elements are removed in a one time, halogen as well as hydrogen. So it is called as 1,2 elimination reaction. For example here, so Br is removed from the, it is also called the alpha carbon or also the carbon number first. It is also called carbon number first is called as 2. So 1,2 elimination means carbon number first we remove the one atom, and carbon number second we remove the second atom. So what we remove here? Remove of this Br from the first carbon, remove of H from the second carbon. So it is called as 1,2 elimination reaction. समझ में आया क्या बेटा आपको? इन रिएक्शंस में हम लोग जो दो एटम को रिमूव कर रहे हैं, हाइड्रोजन को और हेलोजन को, तो कहां से रिमूव करेंगे? कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट और सेकंड से. इसलिए क्या बोलेंगे उसको हम लोग? 1,2 elimination reactions. क्लियर है? और फोर्थ ने it is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Means what? Dehydro means remove of hydrogen. Halogenation means remove of halogen. It means remove of what here? In a simple language, HX. H means hydrogen or X means halogen. So it is called as the dehydrohalogenation reaction. Remove of what? Hydrogen as well as halogen in a one time, so it is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. For example, H is a hydrogen, X is a halogen. You know how many X? There are different types of 4 atom of a halogen: fluorine, bromine and iodine. Okay? Okay, now we take the example of elimination reaction. How the which atom are removed from the given alkene here. Okay? Or we get a product alkene. Okay? In a simple language, in the elimination reaction in alkyl halide, we get a product is always alkene. ये याद रखना है. ठीक है? Okay, in the alkyl halide, the reaction are carry on in the reaction of elimination reaction. So we get a product is alkene. How this reaction happen? We take the example. ठीक है? We get this CH3 CH2Br called as ethyl bromide. When a ethyl bromide, this CH3 CH2Br called as ethyl bromide. We take the open form. When ethyl bromide is react with in presence of alcoholic KOH. What here? Alcoholic KOH and presence of a what here? Heat. These alcoholic KOH are act as base. OH are act as base. ठीक है? So when the what? Any alkyl halide called as ethyl bromide is when heated in presence of alcoholic KOH and heat, we get alkene. What we get? Alkene means ethene. What we get? We get ethene from which? Ethyl chloride. It means from the ethyl chloride we get here the ethene. What we get here? Ethene. ठीक है? So on the basis of we can say that the remove of halogen means Br from the alpha carbon and the H from the beta carbon, so it is called as the what? Dehydrohalogenation reaction or elimination reaction or beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction, because the one carbon number first remove of Br and carbon number second we remove the hydrogen, so it is called as 1,2 elimination reaction. ऐसा समझे बेटा आपको एग्जांपल है क्लियर. Now we take the second example of same elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction. Here the different example. Okay, here we get a 2 different beta carbon. Clear? It is alpha carbon. Why alpha carbon? Because attached to the what? Functional group. Br is the functional group. सबसे पहले आपको identify करना है. We first identify the which carbon is alpha which is beta. जब भी रिएक्शन आपको कैरी ऑन करके आएगी. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले आपको याद रखना है बेटा कि जो Br है या Cl है जो भी X है तो वो क्या है? फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. और वो जो जिस कार्बन से वो अटैच होगा, बॉन्डेड होगा, तो वो कार्बन कौन सा होगा? अल्फा. तो यहाँ पर बीटा, ये जो Br है सेकंड कार्बन अटैच है मिडिल साइड में, तो ये कार्बन कौन सा हो गया? अल्फा कार्बन. और उसके जो बी हेड है नियरेस्ट है वो कौन सा कार्बन है? बीटा बीटा. तो 2 कैटेगरी यहाँ पे बेटा. इट मीन्स व्हेन वी reaction what? When the 2-bromobutane or we can say that here the isopropyl what here? Isobutyl bromide. It is common name isobutyl bromide and the IUPAC name 2-bromobutane. So when 2-bromobutane heated in presence of alcoholic KOH and heat, we get a 2 product. It means one product is minor quantity and second is major quantity. Why? Because here the reactant contain a 2 beta carbon. जो ऊपर की रिएक्शन में एक ही बीटा कार्बन था तो प्रोडक्ट क्या है? 100% क्या है? वी गेट अ 100% इथीन और अल्कीन इज अ प्रोडक्ट. बट हियर कैटेगरी क्या है बेटा कि इसमें 2 बीटा है तो हमारी रिएक्शन का नेम क्या है? बीटा एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन है. तो हमको दोनों बीटा पे से H को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? क्लियर है? सो अब उसमें से भी आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि विच प्रोडक्ट इज मेजर और विच इज माइनर. ठीक है? नाउ वी टेक द रिएक्शन. When a 2-bromobutane is react in presence of alcoholic KOH and heat, we get a 2 product as well as we get 2 byproduct here. ठीक है? So what we get here? We get first a remove of what here? We remove this Br from the alpha carbon and remove of hydrogen from this side. यहाँ से H को लॉस करना है बेटा हमको. ठीक है? So we remove H from this carbon first. So what we get remaining? CH3, this CH3, this CH2, this CH2, then this CH as it is and this double bond attached to CH2. यानी हमने क्या किया? पहले we remove the one what here the Br from the alpha carbon and H from this left side beta carbon. So what we get but 1e. It is IUPAC name. But means how many carbon? 1 2 3 4 called as but. But means butene, and 1ene means the double bond is starting from the carbon number first, second, third, fourth. So it is called as but 1ene. Clear? We discussed in 11th class the IUPAC name of alkene and alkyne. वो आपको याद रखना है. Second, now same reaction, we remove a Br from the alpha carbon and the H from the left side beta carbon. पहले राइट साइड से निकाला इसको हमने, अब लेफ्ट से इसको निकाल रहे हैं. तो व्हाट वी गेट CH3, this CH3, this CH because we remove the H. ठीक है, CH double bond CH single bond CH3. What we get? The name of product is called as what here? Beta 2ene. Why? Because carbon number first, carbon number second, carbon number third, fourth. So but means how many carbon? 4 carbon. Or 2 means this double bond starting from the carbon double bond. So carbon number 2 पर आएगा, double bond से क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? but 2ene. What here? but 2ene. ठीक है? Okay. So in this way we get if a alkyl halide is contain a 2 beta carbon, we get a two different product. One is minor and one is major. Now, which is minor and which is major? Which is okay. Now, which is a minor and which is a major? यानी अगर इस तरह कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा आपको कि आइडेंटिफाई द which product is minor and which is major in the given reactions or in a given elimination reaction. Now, which product is minor and which is major are given by one types of a scientist called as a Sadzeff rule. These Sadzeff rule are help to identify in the elimination reaction which product is minor, which is major. Clear? इसका स्टेटमेंट होता है बेटा, स्टेटमेंट आपको याद रखना है. तो आप कोई भी कंपाउंड को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं इन अ गिवन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन वेदर द गिवन प्रोडक्ट इज अ मेजर क्वांटिटी और माइनर क्वांटिटी. Because here we get a true product, both true product are not a equal amount. One is a minor and one is a major. So which is a minor and which is a major? इन कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मतलब 100% है, मतलब माइनर और मेजर है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. तो कौन सा रूल यूज करते हैं हम लोग? Sadzeff rule. What is Sadzeff rule? So it is defined the question ऐसे भी रहेगा, define the Sadzeff rule. So it is defined as in the dehydrohalogenation reaction or elimination reaction, the product is formed in which the double bonded alkene attached to higher number of alkyl halide or higher number of alkyl group. In the product of dehydrohalogenation reaction or elimination reaction, the product is formed those in which a double bond of alkene attached to higher number of alkyl group, R group. So it is called as Sadzeff rule. यानी इसका मतलब ये होगा, इस रूल का अगर यूज करें, एप्लीकेशन करें अपने, तो आइडेंटिफाई क्या करेंगे बेटा कि जो डबल बॉन्ड हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट में आए हैं, तो उसके जो नियरेस्ट में, उसके बाजू में बिहाइंड जो है वो कितने ग्रुप अल्किल है. अगर वो 2 अल्किल ग्रुप है एक में और एक में 1 अल्किल ग्रुप है आ रहे हैं, तो विच इज प्रोडक्ट मेजर. सो दोस विच कंटेन 2 अल्किल ग्रुप, यानी जो अल्किन डबल बॉन्ड के ग्रुप, डबल बॉन्ड जो है उसके बाजू में जो अल्किल ग्रुप ज्यादा होते हैं, तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? मेजर. और अगर सेकंड प्रोडक्ट में अल्किल ग्रुप कम है अटैच का से डबल बॉन्ड से, तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? माइनर. जैसे एग्जांपल देखते हैं यहाँ पर. इन दिस प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट वी आइडेंटिफाई द वेदर द गिवन टू कंपाउंड इज अ मेजर और माइनर बाय गिविंग अ विच रूल? Sadzeff rule. ठीक है. अब देखो ब्यूटेन 1ene, अभी डबल बॉन्ड देखो बेटा. दिस डबल बॉन्ड कंटेन ओनली द 1 R. हाउ मेनी R? 1 R. दिस एक्ट एज R ग्रुप. इसको सपोज क्या करना है आपको? R ग्रुप. R मीन्स अल्किल ग्रुप. अब इसके बाजू में ग्रुप है क्या? नहीं. इट मीन्स द फर्स्ट compound are formed in which are only 1 R group attached. Where we identify the second compound. Double bond contain how many R? This 1 R, this 1 R. R means alkyl group, means methyl group. How many R? 2 R. It means this 2 R is called as the major product. It is a major. It is what here? It is called as what here? Minor. आया कि समझ बेटा आपको? यानी अगर आपको एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि विच इज अ मेजर और माइनर प्रोडक्ट इन द एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन और डिहाइड्रो हेलोजनेशन रिएक्शन, तो आपको कौन सा रूल फॉलो करना पड़ेगा? सेट-जेफ रूल। व्हाट इज सेट-जेफ रूल? The process in which the reaction of dehydrohalogenation reaction or elimination reaction, the product of alkene are formed those in which a double bonded the higher alkyl group attached to double bonded alkene, जो डबल बॉन्ड अल्कीन है उसकी जो नियरेस्ट है वो ज्यादा क्या रहेगी, उसके ऊपर अटैच अल्किल ग्रुप रहेगी, उसे क्या बोलेंगे? सेट-जेफ रूल। So it is a major product, it is a minor product. Now here the stability. Now we take the stability of what here? Stability of order of alkyl substitution alkenes. यानी कहने का मतलब यहाँ देखेंगे आप लोग कि कौन सा ज्यादा अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच रहेगी, उसको मोर द अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच टू डबल बॉन्डेड अल्कीन, मोर इज द स्टेबल कंपाउंड एंड हायर विल बी द मेजर प्रोडक्ट according to सेट-जेफ रूल. More the number of more the substitute means higher group, more the substitute group are attached to double bonded alkene, more is the stable compound. Clear? Now we take the stability order of the alkyl substituted alkene. यानी अल्कीन डबल बॉन्ड के कितने ज्यादा अल्किल ग्रुप अटैच है, सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग स्टेबल. So the reactivity is what here? R2C double bond Cr. How many are here? It contains this two. How many are? Two means what here? 4. It means this reactivity means first compound contain a 4 R. R means alkyl substituted or alkyl group. So it is what here? Major product. Second is greater than R2C double bond Cr. How many are here? 2 plus 1 3R. 3R called as less product because here 4R. R means alkyl group. This 4, this 3, this 2 here, this 1 2 here, and this 1 only the 1 here. So more number of alkyl group is R or any CH group attached to double bonded alkene is higher or major product according to what here? सेट-जेफ रूल. ऐसा समझ बेटा आपको? तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको आते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई द गिवन अल्कीन बाय अ सेट-जेफ रूल. तो आपको क्या याद रखना पड़ेगा? इट डिपेंड अपॉन द अल्किल ग्रुप. The stability of order of alkyl substituted group is alkene. It means higher number of R attached to the alkene or any CH. R depend upon the group CH3 or anyone. Depend upon the carbon. More number of R means alkyl group attached to double bonded carbon atom, more will be the major product. So in this way, in the given reaction, the 2-butene is the major product. Why? Because it attached to how many CH3 or R? 2R. Whereas in a butene one is a minor product. Why? Because it contain only one R group. ठीक है? So it is called as the elimination reaction, beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction. और अगर रिएक्शन में 2 बीटा कार्बन आते हैं और वहां से रिमूव करना होता है आपको, तो कौन सा रूल फॉलो करेंगे? सेट-जेफ रूल. व्हाट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सेट-जेफ रूल? टू आइडेंटिफाई द गिवन प्रोडक्ट इज अ मेजर और माइनर. Or how to identify this major or minor depend upon the alkyl group is directly bonded to carbon double bond और alkene. उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है? उसका स्टेटमेंट आपको बुक में लिखा हुआ है, वो याद रखना है. ठीक है? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर, व्हाट डिफरेंस बिटवीन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन एंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, और एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन और वर्सेस एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन एंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. इससे पहले हमने देखा बेटा सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन देखा, SN में SN2 रिएक्शन जिसे बोलते हैं हम लोग, उसमें अल्किलाइड में देखा. अभी आज हमने क्या देखा? आज हमने स्टार्ट किया था कि एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन अल्किल हैलाइड, यानी अल्किल हैलाइड में एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन कैसी होती है. तो वो दोनों के डिफरेंस देखने हैं हमको कि विच रिएक्शन आर फेवरेबल टू एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन, विच आर फेवरेबल टू व्हाट हियर? सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. क्लियर? नाउ वी टेक सम फैक्टर टू which reactant or which alkyl halide show the elimination reaction and which condition to be the elimination reaction substitution reaction carry on. इसी कंडीशन देखना है हमको. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट में टेक द नेचर ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड. इट मींस which alkyl halide R shows the elimination reaction and which alkyl halide shows the what here? Substitution reaction. So here the tertiary alkyl halide R shows the elimination reaction, whereas the primary alkyl halide R shows the what? Substitution reactions. ये पॉइंट याद रखो. क्लियर? पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड, व्हाट हियर? size or nature of the nucleophile. Size or nature of the nucleophile. So in the elimination reaction, the strong nucleophile are used or favored, whereas in a substitution reaction, weak nucleophile are favored or favorable. The conditions is clear. Or last point we take here what? Reactions condition. It means which condition elimination reaction carry on and which condition the substitution reaction carry on. Clear? So weak polar solvent and higher temperature, weak polar solvent and higher temperature, the elimination reaction are favored. The elimination reaction are favored, while as higher temperature and polar solvent are favored the substitution reaction. ये आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है, इतने लिखना है उसके अंदर शॉर्ट में. What here? Weak polar solvent at higher temperature shows the elimination reaction or favored to elimination reaction or condition, or while as the what here higher temperature, what less temperature and a polar solvent are shows the what here substitution reactions. So in this way we finish the elimination reaction. Its example. The elimination reaction is also called as the 3 or 4 name. First called beta elimination reactions, 1,2 elimination reactions और dehydrohalogenation. इसकी एग्जांपल देखा हमने, एग्जांपल सिंपल देखा. सेकंड देखा 2 बीटा हाइड्रोजन है तो उसको कैसा रिमूव करेंगे, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मेजर आएगा कौन सा माइनर आएगा, बाय यूजिंग द सेटजेफ रूल. और व्हाट इज सेटजेफ रूल? सो आपको मैंने बताया और बुक में भी अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, तो सिंपल से नोट्स आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है इसकी. अब प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछना है आपको. और यहाँ पर रिएक्शन में आगे भी लिखना है प्लस HBr रिमूव हो रहा है. यहाँ पर यहाँ लिखिए नहीं प्लस HBr रिएक्शन को कैरी ऑन कर. व्हाट हियर आया समझ में? हियर आल्सो रिमूव ऑफ माइनस HBr, हियर आल्सो माइनस HBr. ठीक है, 2 HBr रिमूव. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.